In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a screen for linked tables. New screen in the screen editor, and a label and module, Properties tab, Screen code, Subject, Grid size, Data tab, the first data source, Shipping order table, all fields, and all operations. The second data source, Shipping order product table, all fields, all operations. Operations arguments for the linked tables are set up automatically. For the new record in the child table shipping order product, shipping order field value will be set to the ID of the current record in the parent table shipping order. Let's see how it's done. The new operation has a fields argument. It is JSON format and tells how to fill the new record fields. This is how to fill in values from a different data source. $, curly brackets, and data source code and field code. Orders and order items are linked on the shipping order ID field. In a similar way, select operation gets child table records where shipping order field equals to the parent table's current record ID. A filter argument is an array of filters. First element is the user filter, which is set in screen's GUI. Second element is a filter comparing parent and child data source fields. When parent current record changes, we have to run select on the child table again. When I added a child data store, it was also set up automatically. Let me check it. I'm gonna press edit to edit full operations parameters. In the re-execute and change part, we should enter shipping order ID, meaning order is selected, therefore shipping order ID is changed, and screen have to select these order items. Next to the View tab, first screen part is for the order header. Shipping order data source, label. I want to place this part in the rows from 1 to 140. I'm gonna select fields, rearrange fields. I want to sort on the order date. Second screen part, order items. Shipping order product data source, part label. Place it from row 141 to 240. Select and arrange fields. The product field takes up 40% of the table width. The screen is ready, now I'm gonna install it. And now I'll enter some orders. You've learned how to create a screen with linked tables. Thank you for watching.